Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Gummy Mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new mutation from the Easter update, which is the Gummy Mutation. And if you want to get the Gummy Mutation, you need to have this pet, the Gummy Bear. Okay, this pet can give you the Gummy Mutation, and I'm going to show you where you can purchase this pet. So if you want to unlock this pet and get the Gummy Mutation, you need to go to the Easter shop right here, and you can purchase the Gummy Bear. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 7k chocolate coins. And yeah, just like so, if you want to get the Gummy Mutation in Grow a Garden Easter update. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Gummy Mutation in Grow a Garden Easter update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!